Okay, Z28 fans, here we go with the beautiful Daytona yellow Z28. This car is for sale.
I know guys want to know what's
NCRS quality restoration. And this is a Berger dealership car. Berger was a very renowned performance Chevy dealership. Yep, got your X33 code on there. Yep, by Berger. And let's see what this says here. $100K takes the car. There's Tom and his phone number. There's your window sticker.
Yeah, you're right.
One of my favorite car guys designed this body right here. His name was Larry Shinoda, a Japanese immigrant. He designed the second generation Corvettes and the concept car, the Mako Shark. And designed the Z28 cars for the program. And then when he got pulled over to Ford, he designed the Boss 302, the 1970 Trans Am Championship car. He designed that car as well. Everything this guy touched was gold, and you're looking at why. Because they are sexy, good-looking cars, good stripe packages, well-designed, and man, did they run. Holy guacamole. This is a very nice example, folks. I can see why he's asking 6 figures for it. Because, you know, the Trans Am cars, they're hot. They're very rare. And that little small block pumps out some serious power. And yeah, look how well done everything is. Oh, there goes a racing Corvette. Well, any event. There you have it, Z28 fans. A really nice example of Trans Am homologation cars. This is Gauze Garage at the 54th Annual Kaiser Devereaux Car Show, Sarasota, Florida. Thank you.